Artie McFerrin Department of Chemical Engineering at Texas A&M University is becoming a landmark destination for students from around the world in their pursuit of a degree that can change the world. To better discover where chemical engineers work and their career paths, let's hear firsthand from current and former students and professors who have led the way in creating this first-rate experience.
Chemical engineering is a science that combines your knowledge about chemistry and mathematics to come up with innovative solutions that will increase the profitability and sustainability of a process.
Chemical engineering is the study of processes. It's really the focus of making things small scale into large scale.
Is taking raw materials that aren't valuable and converting them into things that are extremely valuable.
If you had to explain what chemical engineering is, I think of it this way. Chemistry is the study of what makes molecules happy. Basically, chemical engineering is manipulating molecules' happiness for financial gain.
Where do chemical engineers work?
This is the most diverse major in the College of Engineering. We're qualified to work in any field. I've worked in automotive materials, baby products, on tablets, and eventually jet fuel for the military, and we're qualified to work anywhere.
I mean, you can do anything with it. Economics, law, banking, pharmaceuticals.
I can be a part of the chemical industry, or I can just become a doctor.
The students should come here because they get probably one of the best educations in any public university. We have strived to become one of the top schools in the country in the last few years, and it will definitely become better in the future.
Because of its prominence in Texas, many graduates work in the energy industry, where they produce and refine oil and natural gas. Yet, chemical engineering offers numerous opportunities in other industries, such as food, paper, personal care, cosmetics, and pharmaceuticals. Job functions include engineering, procurement and construction roles, consulting and financial service, and areas in law, business, government, and medicine. Of our students who applied to medical school, 100% have been accepted. For those students who wish to obtain a PhD, he or she can enter academia to teach the next generation of students. We asked undergraduates about their experiences at Texas A&M University.
I chose Texas A&M University because I feel they have a holistic approach to developing students, both their character and the academics.
It's a top-ranked program. They're great people, great atmosphere, and then you meet a lot of people, a lot of good people around here, so it's a great school.
I've seen the way that the industry is connected to this department. When the industry needs students to work on things, they come to us.
I'm actually an out-of-state student, so I never would have thought I'd end up in Texas, but I wanted to do engineering and knew that A&M had a good engineering department, so I visited and loved the school. Everything kind of worked out for me here, so I'm very blessed to be here and honestly wouldn't be at any other place.
We asked former students about their experiences studying chemical engineering at Texas A&M University.
Our Department of Chemical Engineering does a really great job of preparing you for your career, but it's important to remember that there's a lot of learning outside of the classroom. So look into student organizations and undergraduate research for further experience.
My career path was to actually put my engineering degree to work first, and I worked in a manufacturing facility making petrochemicals. But it was so foundational that I was able to use it over the course of my life to actually build a business, to build into the business world, to do sales, to do project management, and ultimately led to a CEO job that I have today.
In chemical engineering, it helps make you a technical warrior, and that gives you confidence from now on that you can attack any problem, attack any job that comes along. You can do anything technically the rest of your life after you accomplish that.
At the Artie McFerrin Department of Chemical Engineering, students are offered an opportunity few experience in other areas of study. In addition to the cutting-edge resources and real-world learning environments, the faculty empower young men and women from countries the world over every day with a confidence and respect that in turn creates multifaceted professionals. Make your mark. Choose chemical engineering.